Sharing a link on Instagram can be a bit tricky since the platform doesn't allow clickable links in regular posts. However, there are several effective methods to share links with your friends. One of the simplest ways is to use Instagram Stories. If you have a business account or more than 10,000 followers, you can add links directly to your stories using the link sticker. Just tap on the sticker icon, select the link sticker, and paste your URL. Once you post the story, your friends can simply tap the sticker to access the link. If you don't have access to the link sticker, you can still share links through your bio. Update your bio with the desired link, and then create a post or story directing your followers to check out the link in your bio. You might say something like, "Check out the link in my bio for more details." Oh, this method requires a little more effort since your friends will need to navigate to your profile, but it's effective nonetheless. Another option is to send links directly through Instagram direct messages. Just copy the link you want to share, open a conversation with your friend, and paste the link into the message. This is a straightforward approach if you want to share something specific with someone without broadcasting it to all your followers. Lastly, consider creating a visually appealing graphic or post that highlights the link you want to share. This can entice your friends to check it out, especially if it's something interesting or beneficial. With these strategies, sharing links on Instagram can become a seamless part of your social media experience, keeping your friends in the loop with the content you love. Stay up to date with Famety on social media. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.